All right, today we are going to take a walk through the Onyx floor plan offered by Meritage Homes. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, excuse me. We're just gonna take a quick walk through it. This is 4 bedrooms, excuse me, or 3 bedrooms and an office, depending on what you need. So this is the very, very front bedroom. As you can see, I'm gonna go to the corner. Being that it is an empty room, it kind of gives you that space look that you want to see. So I'm in the corner of the room, just kind of giving you an idea of what we're working with. In this room here, I would say you can probably fit a queen size bed in here, no problem. So I'm going to go to the corner and then swing back around and again try to give you that perspective. So I'm in the corner of the bedroom now, and that's how far I am from the door. And the way the room sits, it actually gives you a few different options on how you want to set it up, so it definitely can work. And then there's the closet there. So this room is not small by any stretch of the imagination. So we're going to head over across the hall to the second bedroom, which is literally the same size just about as that bedroom. Now with this one, because of where the closet sits, you kind of lose that wall there, of course, but you still got 3 walls that you can, again, set the room up how you want. If you don't want your bed, right there by the door, you can set it over this way. Or if you want your bedroom to face the door, you can actually do it. And again, I think you can get a queen size bed in here fairly easily. So that would definitely work. So we're gonna slide back out. Here is the hall bathroom. There is a linen closet there. There's your toilet. That's what your tub's gonna look like pretty much. And it does have double sinks with the big tall mirror. What I do like about this home is that when I go into the bedrooms especially, I actually have the lights on the ceiling. I don't have to put like a lamp or anything in it. It's already there, so that's pretty cool. I do also love the wide hallway, which makes it easy to get things in and out of the house without scraping up your walls. And then it also, I think, is more inviting. So across the hall from those first 2 bedrooms, you do have your utility room. So it's towards the front of the house. And it's an extra large one where you can actually set, maybe if you wanted to put a fridge in there or something, you actually have space for it, or like a folding table, ironing board, whatever. You've got space to do that. So that's pretty cool. You can fit like a small desk in this corner if you wanted to utilize this space here that goes into the 3rd bedroom. That's what that looks like. Through this door here is going to be the 2-car garage, which is actually, maybe 2 small cars can fit in here, but I don't know if you had like a big truck and a small car. If you're really, really good at what you do, you might be able to fit them in there, but it'd be a tight squeeze. But it is a 2-car garage nonetheless. But just to give you an idea of what I see as a suburban driver, my car would be dead center. So I would just probably use the outside spaces for storage as opposed to parking. But that's just me, so don't mind my craziness. Here is bedroom number 3. Now bedroom number 3 to me is a little smaller than the other 2 bedrooms that we just saw. How you really can tell is look at that closet door. This may be my office if it were my home and I didn't need that 4th bedroom. But here's the closet. It's a teeny one. There you go. That's the closet. I thought it was gonna open up and then like swing around through that wall there. Didn't do that. So this is definitely gonna be the baby's room or your office here. And that's literally just because of the space of this room. A full-size bed might be too much. I'm thinking literally this is either bunk bed or twin bed type of room, this particular one here. So keep that in mind. All right, we're gonna head out now to the living space of the home. Actually, no, before we get to the living space, we're still in the hallway. You got this utility pantry. I don't even know what to call it. I thought it was the pantry when I first walked in, but then I swung around and there was a pantry there. So this could just be extra closet space. I'm a closet fanatic, so I love this, that I can store things in there and keep them out of plain sight. And still have my pantry area that I need for my food and all that good stuff. Here is the living room space here with the sliders going out to the backyard. There's going to be your dining area in that back corner. We're gonna come over against this wall here so you can see the kitchen area in its entirety. So you've got that oversized island that you can use as a bar table situation. The counter is actually not like super skinny, so it's usable space coming all the way down. And we're again just giving you an idea. There's what the living room space would look like for you, right over there. So definitely it opens up once you come down that hallway. There's the hall again. All right, and then lastly, we're gonna take a look at the primary room area. So you got the small little entry into your area here, which to me takes up, valuable space in the primary room. But even still, king size bed could probably go even in that area, or even against this wall here, depending on how long it is. Then you could, that's where you may lose a little space, but I think you can make it work in here and still not be cluttered. The whole idea is a lot of people don't like clutter, and I think you can fill this space with everything you need and not be cluttered. I'm in the corner of the room now. And then here is the primary bathroom. So it does have separated tub and shower. It's got a super deep tub for you to enjoy after a long day's work, and then a shower if you just want to knock that out really, really quick. There's going to be your, towel rack. Here's the linen closet that's in your bathroom. And then there's your toilet room and your primary closet. So the closet does this little spin around joint here. I go around the wall, there's the rest of my closet, and then I'm gonna back up. So it's usable space for sure. You can make the closet work for you if you need it to. And then you also are going to have double sinks as well with the tall mirror. And it's super bright because you got this oversized window right next to your tub. So that is cool also. All right, again, we are at the Onyx model home here offered by Meritage. If you're in the market for a new home, please give me a call, 623-207-7146. And I'd be more than glad to go sniff out those deals for you. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.